ESG is leading a precision particle cleaning sys based on years of accumulative expertise and outstanding technology. Since its foundation in 2012, ESG acquired numbers of patents and accomplished numerous achievements, such as excellent business certificates, overseas expansion, and venture certificate. ESG's products are manufactured and produced in Korea, and they are also widely used by various businesses based on the customer trust gained from continuous R&D and quality inspection of the precision particle cleaning field by ESG's Research Institute. ESG's main products include a precision particle cleaning sys specializing in CO2-based PCB flux cleaning, precision deburring, semiconductor cleaning, etc., as well as a powerful blaster used for molds, machines, facilities, and plant cleaning. ESG also produces its original high-density CO2 particles used in other products. ESG leads precision cleaning technologies for diverse future industrial fields, such as secondary battery, display, sensor, and advanced semiconductor based on its leading technologies. ESG is also trying its best to become a leader in the global market for the precision particle cleaning field beyond China, Vietnam, and Thailand.